Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Travel Finance. Today we are going to unbox the printer Canon PIXMA TR4550, which is a wireless print, copy, scan, fax and ADF device. So along in the box you also get a user manual as well as a CD drive to install the software on certain computers which may need the software to be installed. Otherwise, it is also possible to install the software from the Canon website, download it on your PC, or you can download and run it on a Mac. One key function of this printer is that it gives you the Wi-Fi connectivity and the Canon Print app, which gives you control of your printer functions from your smart devices. If you're away from Wi-Fi, just switch to wireless direct. As we can see that the ink cartridges on this particular model come pre-installed in the printer when you buy it. Here you can see how the paper is positioned in the printer so that it can be used for either scanning, printing or photocopying. One key feature which other printers in this price bracket do not have is two-sided printing, which is a major selling point for this particular printer. So now highlighting some of the key specifications of the printer. So while printing you can choose resolutions up to 4800 x 1200 dpi, and the print technology used in this printer are two fine cartridges, one black and white and one color. And the mono document print speed is approx 8.8 IPM squared, and the color document print speed is approximately 4.4 IPM cubed. The photo print speed is borderless. If you're considering 10 by 15 centimeters, it's approx 65 seconds, and borderless printing can be done in A4 as well. And of course, two-sided printing is always there on this model. If you compare the printing speed of this printer to other home printers or printers in the price range, this is between 1.5 to 2 times faster than other entry-level and mid-range home printers. One key function of this printer is that it gives you the Wi-Fi connectivity and the Canon Print app, which gives you control of your printer functions from your smart devices. If you're away from Wi-Fi, just switch to wireless direct. So what we're doing here is we're trying to connect to the Wi-Fi through WPS, which essentially means is that when you select the router within the printer and go to the actual router and press the WPS button, it will pair both the devices without having to key in the password. What we are trying to do over here is that within the app we are trying to initiate the process by entering the app, and we're trying to photocopy one of the papers which we are doing as a sample. So we're going to show you that how it turns out as the very first photocopied sample from the printer. Here I'm showing you an example of how to initiate the command from the mobile app, and the printer registers it and then it prints or scans your item. So on this particular example, we are printing a PDF from the mobile phone directly wirelessly in the printer. Thank you for watching guys, and please subscribe for more tech, travel and finance related videos.